between two friends about study. Rahul and Riya. Hi Riya. How are you doing? Riya. I am good, Rahul. How about you? Rahul. I am fine too. By the way, how is your study going? Riya. It's going okay, but I feel a bit stressed. There is so much to cover before the exams. Rahul, I understand. What subject are you finding difficult? Riya, maths and science are bit tough for me. I feel like I need more practice. Rahul, don't worry Riya. Practice makes everything easier. If you want, we can study together. Riya, that's great idea, Rahul. It will help me a lot. Rahul, sure. Let's make a plan. We can study maths on weekdays and science on weekend. Riya, that sounds perfect. Thanks for helping me. Rahul, no problem, Riya. We will manage it together. Just stay positive. Riya, I will. Let's start from tomorrow. Rahul, absolutely. See you tomorrow. Riya, see you. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. See you next video.